I'd be honored to help. Here's a heartfelt song celebrating the Tagimoucia family and their beautiful journey. Write it. Tagimoucia Lovelies high. On the 23rd of March, 2022, a dream was born, so pure and true. 7 hearts together, standing hand in hand, building love and unity across our island land. A queen with a vision, a heart so kind, gathered her lovelies, leaving no one behind. Named after the Tagimoucia, Fiji's precious flower, growing stronger every day, with love as their power. Oh, Tagimoucia Lovelies, shining bright and free, a family bound together by love and unity. From 14 provinces across the Fiji Sea, your kindness and compassion inspire you and me. Oh, Tagimoucia Lovelies, your hearts forever bloom, bringing hope and happiness wherever you may roam. Through every joy and challenge, together you will stand, a blessing to our people and to our beautiful land. From 7 members growing to 29 today, helping one another every step along the way, supporting FNU students to reach their dreams so high, teaching them to never give up and always try. Single moms and fathers finding strength within the group business, entrepreneurs encouraged to pursue at games and in studies. Your support is always near, lifting one another with love, hope and cheer. Oh, Tagimoucia Lovelies, shining bright and free, a family bound together by love and unity. From 14 provinces across the Fiji Sea, your kindness and compassion inspire you and me. From Vanuatu to Viti Levu shores, across the islands and the oceans roar, different villages, different stories to tell, yet united by a love that serves so well. My Tagimoucia Lovelies, the leader proudly calls, and every member answers when another member falls. Together they rise, together they grow, sharing Fiji's spirit wherever they go. Oh, Tagimoucia Love, may your flower always bloom, bringing light and laughter to every heart and room. May your journey be blessed with prosperity and grace, and may love forever guide this beautiful place. So here's to the Tagimoucia family, strong and true, to every lovely member and all the good you do. May God continue blessing each heart in every way. Tagimoucia Lovelies, forever Vinakavakalevu. We say Arvinakavakalevu. To the Tagimoucia family, may your beautiful flower of friendship, support, and service continue to bloom throughout Fiji.